Go. Again. And go. All the way through and around. Good, not bad. Lean back though. Let's do it one more time. Ready? I want the same smooth, hands up higher. Go, and around. That's not bad.
And
Let's
go.
Good. That's
Ready?
a lot better. Hands up. Hold on. Hold on. Let's do that again. Go back again. I'm going to fix you a little bit. Ready? Stance. So your hands are going to be up here. Just like that. Elbow a little bit down. Just like that. And we're going to take the bat like that. Ready? And don't let you bend your knees. Go. Go. Beautiful. And let's get the barrel up. Knob down. Good. Ready. And go. And go. Very good.